Hi guys. Sorry you're stuck at home. Let's talk through what needs to be accomplished while you can't be here at school with us, okay? So everything is on Canvas. And I want to walk through that with you. It's going to be the same whether it's chemistry or honors chemistry, just the content's a little different, but the concept and how you should be approaching Canvas is the same. Okay, so first we have a class calendar link here. So you can click on the calendar, and yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because I have, everything on here. But for general chemistry, you can see that today we covered day 6 material. And then you can see that the next day we're going to cover day 7. And so you can go in and see, okay, I'm going to be gone from this day to that day, and you can see which days of material that you'll be missing. And then once you know what days those are, go back to Canvas and then find those days in the module, okay? So like we're wrapping up Unit 2, Part 2, or 3 and 4, the second half of it. And today we looked at day 6 items, okay? Now, each of these items have video lectures, okay? So since you're not here with us, make sure that you're watching the videos in the lectures. Some of the videos are done by me, some of them are done by the other chemistry teacher here at Desert Hills. Okay, there's some practice problem things. This is also where you'll find your guided notes. So let's see if we have an example of that. So like on day 3, you have Unit 2 guided notes, pages 31 through 32. There's the link to the Nearpod slides, and then you'll have your videos as well. Okay, so each day you have your notes and videos. Then if you would like, you can participate in the concept check. It's just a quick, small, usually like 4-question quiz, just to help you determine, like, did you understand the material from the lecture videos and the notes? And then you have the assignment. Okay. And so for this one, there wasn't an assignment that day. But a lot of these, you will have something on there. Okay, so like here's the assignment, and then you have the PDF version of that. So print it out, fill it out, and then take a picture and turn it in here on Canvas. Okay, so that's how you can have access to lecture, as well as the notes and the assignments, all from Canvas on the days that you won't be here. Okay? Now, inevitably, when you're trying to learn from home and from videos, it can sometimes get confusing and you're at a disadvantage because you can't raise your hand and ask for help in that moment. So we still have our study session sign up. So if you would like, please, even during quarantine, sign up for a study session and we will meet virtually through a Google meeting. So you'll get on, you'll sign up for a study session. Like let me show you what it'll look like on your end. Even though this was yesterday, you'd sign up, you would give me the description of what we're going to go over. You'll hit save, okay? And then that puts it on your Google Calendar as well as my Google Calendar. So if you then go to Google Calendar, okay, and you log into that, your calendar will probably look something like this. Like if you have certain things that you've signed up for or holidays, stuff like that. And so here's that study session that I signed up for. And there's a join the Google meeting. And so there's a link that we can meet virtually. So it'll put it on my calendar and I'll be like, oh, okay. And then I'll join that meeting. You'll join that meeting and we can talk through any questions that you have. Okay. All right. So let's look at this one more time. Class calendar, so you know what days that you're missing. Study session sign-ups. If you need extra help, we can meet through a Google meeting. And then each day you'll have some lecture videos, a concept check if you'd like to make sure you're understanding the material, and assignment. Sometimes, occasionally, we have like a lab, and usually we find some like online alternative for you to do for the lab. Like this one might be a link to Gizmo where you're filling out an assignment or something like that. Okay, so it might vary a little bit, but pretty consistently it stays kind of with the video, notes, and then assignment. All right, guys, please communicate with me. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I'm happy to help you with all of it. Don't fall behind. You got this. Stay on top of it. Look at the items that you'll be missing and stay on top of that. Okay, well, I will see you guys soon.